Still red. Pretty sure you don't need fog lamps. Why do people think it's cool to put the fog lamps on when it's not foggy? Your car doesn't look like a rally car. It looks like a car of a numpty who don't know how to turn his fog lamps off. Pigeon Attack. I was watching a video the other day by a chap called The Rabbit. I think it's The Rabbit, something along those lines, with a 1 instead of an I in Rabbit. And he was riding along this road. He's a biker from Hull, or near Hull at least, and it's always a good little junction, this one. I don't think I've ever gone through this junction without seeing somebody do something stupid, and the stupid thing is always the same. There's 2 lanes here straight on, so in this lane you can turn left or you can go straight on. And across the way, just past that pub there, the Howarth Arms, there are also 2 lanes, but there's a slight bend by the side of the pub, and every time you go past the pub you see the people in the right hand lane carve across the left hand lane. And when it happened to the Rabbit, they actually turned in on him, didn't see him at all, and hit him. Luckily he stayed on his bike and he was okay, but they actually hit him. There we go, let's see what happens here. See this blue one? Crossing across right in front of me. If I'd have carried on, straight in front of me. It's amazing, but I've never gone through that junction without seeing somebody do that. Usually they then jump out to the right here because they think that the bus lane's active. It's inactive at the minute. Usually they jump out to the right. But yeah, I don't know if you call that bad road layout or just bad driving, but either way, I bet there's a lot of accidents there. Couple of polices. Oh, 3 police. I wonder what's going on. Something's going on, isn't it? Come on. 2 polices on bikes and a police in a car.